How to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. First, make sure you have the video in vertical format, 1080 by 1920, and the video length must be smaller than 60 seconds. Now if you have your YouTube video in horizontal format, first go to canva.com and log in with your Google account. Click on Create a Design button and search for YouTube in the search bar. Select YouTube Shorts 1080 by 1920 from the list. Here click on Uploads from the left-hand side menu and then click on Upload Files. Locate the video from your computer and open it. Once your video is uploaded, drag and drop into the project. Drag and fix the video into the frame. Once you are satisfied with it, click on Share in the top right corner and then click on Download. Click on the Download button. As you can see, the video has started downloading. Now then, you have the video ready to upload. Go to youtube.com and log in to your Google account. Click on the Create button and then select Upload Video. Drag and drop your video. Here add the title of your video and don't add #shorts because now YouTube automatically picks your video into shorts if it is in the vertical format and under 60 seconds. You can also write a good description for your video, which will help you get more views on YouTube. Just keep in mind that whatever you write should be related to your video, because I am uploading this video only to teach you. So I am leaving this box. Select the targeted audience of your video. I am setting it to Not Made for Kids. Now scroll down and add the tags related to your video's topic. Once done, scroll down once more and set the language of your video. Also set the recording date of your video. Scroll down again and set the category of your video. Once all done, click on the Next button. You can link any of your long-form videos by clicking on the Add button so that viewers of your YouTube Shorts can also view your long-form content. Once done, click on the Next button. Click Next again. Here you can publish your video immediately by clicking on Public, or you can schedule your video as well. Once all done, click on the Publish button. So that's how you can upload shorts on YouTube from your PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.